It is now 4 p.m. on September 1st, Beijing time. Last Friday, because we still held the EURUSD long orders set into the market at 1.0833 to 1.0770, so did not make any new positions. The lowest price after the issue was 1.0829. Some long orders reached the entry point, and the highest price after the entry was 1.0882. If you follow the video to operate, can make 49 to 53 points of profit per lot. Lao Dai prompt to sell when the exchange rate rose to 1.0875, making a small profit of 420 to 460 US dollars per lot. Then there's gold. Last Friday, it was recommended to sell short above 1956. The highest price after the issue was 1953. It was still 3 US dollars away from the entry point and fell sharply to 1934.4 in advance, with a total loss of 186 points. The direction is correct, but no entry is not included in the transaction order statistics chart. The 10 to 17% profit generated every month by the copy trading business you participate in is not only generated by manual intraday orders, but also combined with EA automatic trading programs. The cumulative income generated throughout August was $38,012 US dollars, equivalent to a monthly income of 25.34%, the highest in 3 years. As mentioned in the previous video, risk events in August have less interference in the market, so we can make more money. In other circumstances, Lao Dai's main account has always maintained a monthly income of 10 to 17% with light lots. It is expected that the risk events in September will be the same as before August, so it will be a bit difficult to further hit 25.34%. If you feel that the monthly rate of return of 10 to 17% is not bad, and want to see the historic operations and the entire real-time transaction process, add the contact information on the screen and ask me for the master account observation password. The initial capital ranges from $5,000 to $150,000 US dollars. The account for copy trading has the same signals as the main account, and the password is changed once a week. Observe for a week, and then consider joining the trader group or participating in account management business to copy trading if it suits you. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. The ISM Service Industry PMI data released in the United States at 10 o'clock last Friday night rebounded, and coupled with the hawkish speeches of Federal Reserve officials, the market's attention once again turned to the current situation of the U.S. economy and the maintenance of long-term high interest rates. As for the Eurozone, whether it raises interest rates or not, there are now great difficulties. The resistance above EURUSD is 1.0800 to 1.0850, and we can wait for 1.0845 to 1.0910 to sell short. Put a stop loss at 1.0920. Gold currently does not see enough momentum to support further gains. But as the fast interest rate high cycle draws to a close, the downside for gold prices is limited. It is expected that until there is no new catalyst, the probability of gold maintaining a narrow range of fluctuations is high. The lower support is far below 1925 and the upper resistance is 1950 and 1962. It is recommended to sell short positions at 1954 to 1965 during the day, with stop loss at 1967. By the way, today is a holiday in the United States. Overseas traders have a day off and wait patiently for key points before operating. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, GPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is last Friday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing. But it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading business. The target point is not placed on the video. Lauda will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation, and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Alan Greenspan.